மற்றும் பேருந்து நடத்துனர்கள் மற்றும் ஓட்டுமான தொழிற்சாலையில் பணிபுரிபவர்கள், கட்டுமான தொழிலாளர்கள், பிற மாநில தொழிலாளர்கள், அனைத்து அரசு ஊழியர்கள், மாநில அனைத்து போக்குவரத்து பணியாளர்கள், பள்ளி கல்லூரி கோவிட் நோயாளிகளுக்கு உணவு வழங்கும் தன்னார்வலர்கள், மருத்துவமனைகளில் கோவிட் நோயாளிகளுக்கு உதவிடும் அரசு சார்பற்ற அமைப்பு ஊழியர்கள்.
I am the art director for this Vaccine Auto. Hopefully you know the previous innovations like Corona Helmet and Corona Auto, and something similar to that but more intensively I wanted to create for the vaccine. And also Greater Chennai Corporation is bringing out many innovative campaigns to reach out to the public. Okay. So Greater Chennai with the collaboration with the Greater Chennai Corporation, I was able to create this kind of installation this time, and because more people are not getting into the vaccine thing, they have a fear. Okay, basically they have a fear. So, yeah, and especially from the how to say, the media inaccessible community. Okay, so I wanted to reach them. So these kind of art installations and innovative campaigns will definitely make them understand how vaccines are important, and also they will definitely tend to put the vaccine, and so that we could get back to the normal life, right? Okay. So in order to create, as an artist, I brought out this installation, and as I said, the Tamil Nadu government as well as the Greater Chennai Corporation is very keen on this vaccine campaigns, and to make people understand, and no more than that, to implement all the plans, okay, what they wanted to put the vaccine to bring back the community to the normal life. So in order to, as a common man, as an artist, how I can be useful, that was in my mind. So as a responsible artist, so I did this innovation, and the process of the creating this artwork is I used many waste materials, especially waste pipes and waste that milk pans and also water cans. With the using of waste elements, I created this auto, and even waste plastics have been used in this auto. So that's how a sustainable art installation can be made. More than that, the best part of creating with the auto is it can reach even to the inaccessible areas, like even a very short streets. Okay, and even right now we are at Madhavaram region. Okay, so every day we will be going to different zones in Chennai. So as 15 zones are there, we will be covering 15 areas, and all the nook and corner of the streets. Actually, in last 2 days itself, we got very happy comments from the people. Okay, so they were asking doubts and how to get vaccinated, and okay, right now also they have so much of doubts. So it's very good these kind of campaigns are getting into the people, and they are getting a very clear idea of what to do and what not to do about the vaccines. So it makes me feel happy, and I'm always grateful for the Greater Chennai Corporation to bring out this kind of innovative stuffs. Yeah. So coming to the what actually Vaccine Auto does is, we are reaching to the people. Okay, we will be having pamphlets, okay, and we'll be giving it to the people, and also we are telling that please get vaccinated, go to the nearest medical camp, okay, and you could register there. Not only that, because some people won't be having the technology to do that, okay, so you could go to the nearest medical camp and get what should be done the next after. And many people who have done the first dosage, right, they don't know when the second dosage should happen. And after 84 days, if they should get vaccinated, means we are clearing all the doubts in between with the people. And not only that, giving the pamphlets, okay, so we use the gloves, okay, and more than that, when how to say, when people see, when they see this kind of artworks and installations, they get to know what it is. The first stage is awareness, and then only we could implement many plans and everything. So and also we have that sound installations and sound sets, so that it will make people to get more into that, okay, and they will understand the seriousness, and they will change obviously. So that's
days it took for you to do this thing?
Okay, it took like 10 days for us to do this installation.
With all waste materials, right?
Yeah. Not completely 100% waste, because that particular monster injection is made out of 6-inch pipe. So we have to get that. We didn't get it in waste. So rest of the injections are made it in.
What's there in your mind? Next pipeline.
So more of into vaccines, and also for a litter-free community I am expecting. So I will be creating campaigns regarding that, especially with Walk for Plastic as well as with my art installations. Definitely I will be doing that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.